Hi guys, so I'm making this video. I've had a little chat again with Absolute Markets. So if you haven't seen my video from last week, I had a little chat with Absolute Markets asking them where is their license number. Okay, so it should be at the bottom of the page here. Okay, the Register of International Business Companies and registered by the FSA, Financial Services Authority. Okay, so they should have a number. Okay, associated with that. And they don't have it. Now, last week when I had a conversation with them, they said in the chat that the managers were saying they're updating the website, and I got the impression, sorry, that that number would be updated on the website. Well, that was like a week ago, and you can see clearly it's not there. This is where it should be if it's going to be anywhere. And most companies have it at the bottom of their website. Legitimate companies like 500 plus, for instance, like that, they have their license numbers all on the bottom, and they'll have several from different countries. Now, these guys are saying that they've got supported in 170 plus countries. So they're not small beer, okay? They're not small potatoes. Yep. They're not, it's not pin money and all of that we're dealing with here. We're dealing with millions of dollars, millions of pounds, millions of worth of crypto. And they are just not telling us the truth, in my opinion. So I had another chat with them today. They really like my chats with them. So I was asking them again, your website's been updated. Where's the license number? And so this week's excuse was we've been working with the FSA. We've only been going a year, and our numbers basically coming soon. Yeah, it's coming soon. And after that, they just basically cut me off in the chat. So normally in the chat, which is quite interesting, is that whenever you have a chat in these things, they always say, "Are there any more questions? Can I help you anymore?" Blah blah blah. Now they didn't do that. They just cut me off. I've never had that in any chat at all that I've been in with, and like I've been in plenty of chats, okay, like this the help chat, and they never do that. I don't know about your experiences with chat, but I've never been cut off in the chat like that. So that was just another red flag. It just seems that they're really annoyed that I'm getting onto them, and they're upsetting their little racket. Okay. Now what I did do after that, because I thought, well, is that possible? Is it possible that they've been trading a whole year without a license? So then I went to plus 500, and I went to their chat, and I asked them. Okay, so I just went to the plus 500 website. And I went on the 24/7 support, and I just did the same thing. I had a chat with them. They couldn't obviously comment on other people's websites, which is very professional of them. I wouldn't expect them to give an opinion on Absolute Markets. Okay, so they were very professional, courteous. They answered my questions, and then at the end they said, "Is there any more questions?" I said, "No, thanks very much. You've been very helpful," and I gave them 5 stars and all of that. But I asked them, "How long have you had your trading licenses?" And they said, "From day one." All right. So if you're a legitimate trading company that are dealing in millions of dollars, millions of pounds, you should have your trading license from day one on your website. Not missing after a whole year of trading. I mean, it's just ridiculous. So what I would say to you guys, if you've got money in Absolute Markets or FX Master Gold, which this company trades for. So if you've got money in FX Master Gold, I believe that Absolute Markets, they are running a Ponzi scheme. Yeah, they've got affiliate marketing with this so that it's a bit like multi-level marketing, okay, to keep the money coming in. And I believe they're running a Ponzi scheme. You need to ask them, is there any trading going on? Prove it. All right. Because this to me, this is nonsense, utter nonsense. If you've got a lot of money in FX Master Gold, if you've got all your life savings in FX Master Gold, things like that, you need to be checking up on this. All right, because I don't believe they're doing any trading. I think the whole thing's a Ponzi scheme. So you go and check it out. But I believe absolute markets is running a Ponzi scheme.